All right, doing a quick video tonight on chalk blocking.
A lot of people know about recycling glass. You know about recycling aluminum.
Just want to make sure that everyone's aware that chalk blocking is the key to safety.
And in some municipalities, we even have recycling of plastic.
Can you see that? Can you get in there? Okay. Now there's a little bit of play. That's okay. We're gonna fix that in a minute.
In this bin, we have recycling only for zinc.
Because I've got here, can you see this? This is called the andiron. It's not actually iron, as you can see, it's made out of wood. No, that doesn't say zinc. You read it wrong. Zing. Look how big the boat is. Back up now, back up, and show them how big the boat is. I don't want this to fall on me.
Zing?
Yeah, it's a G. That's a G.
What the hell is zing?
Hey, hold the camera steady! Trying to maintain my composure.
Oh, we're not supposed to be up here.